Sa silangan ng Luzon, beyond the calm blue horizon, lies one of the Philippines' most powerful yet least understood geological features, the East Luzon Trench. Tahimik sa ibabaw, pero sa ilalim ng dagat na yan, nagaganap ang isa sa mga pinakadramatikong galaw ng mundo, the slow collision of tectonic plates that shaped our islands. This trench isn't as famous as the Philippine Trench or the Mindanao Trench, pero it plays a massive role in our country's seismic and volcanic activity. Today, we'll explore what lies beneath the Pacific edge, the science, the danger, and the wonder of the East Luzon Trench, where the Pacific meets the Philippines. The East Luzon Trench lies about 100 to 150 kilometers off the eastern coast of Luzon, stretching from the Bicol region up to northern Luzon. It's part of the Pacific Ring of Fire, the horseshoe-shaped belt where most of the world's earthquakes and volcanoes occur. Dito nagtatagpo ang Philippine Sea Plate at ang Luzon Microplate, two massive slabs of the Earth's crust that constantly move, collide, and reshape our planet. Imagine these plates like giant rafts floating on molten rock. When one plate dives beneath another, we call it subduction. And that's exactly what happens here. Sa proseso ng subduction, nabubuo ang mga bundok, bulkan, at mga lindol, mga ebidensya ng buhay at galaw ng ating planeta, forces beneath the deep. Kung titingnan mo ang mapa ng seafloor, makikita mo na ang East Luzon Trench ay parang isang mahabang hiwa sa balat ng mundo, na umaabot ng hanggang 8,000 meters deep sa ilang bahagi. Diyan nagaganap ang tuloy-tuloy na pagbaba ng Pacific Plate beneath Luzon, a process that's been happening for millions of years. The energy stored in that movement is enormous. That's why, every time we feel a strong earthquake in eastern Luzon, especially sa Bicol, Quezon, or Aurora, scientists always look toward the East Luzon Trench. Ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit may mga active volcanoes along the eastern corridor, tulad ng Mayon, Isarog at Banahaw. Their magma systems are fueled by the same tectonic forces deep beneath the trench, earthquakes and tsunamis, the risk we can't ignore. Because of its depth and constant movement, the East Luzon Trench is a potential source of major earthquakes. Experts say that if a massive quake occurs underwater along this trench, it could trigger tsunamis reaching the eastern coasts of Luzon and Bicol in just minutes. In 2023 and 2024, the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, PHIVOLCS, continued to study this trench using deep-sea sensors and satellite imaging. Their goal? To understand the pattern of stress and strain building beneath the seafloor. Bagamat hindi natin mapredict kung kailan tatama ang isang malakas na lindol, science helps us prepare by mapping risk zones and improving early warning systems. So kung naririnig natin ang earthquake drill or tsunami alert test, hindi ito simpleng exercise. It's preparation for what nature might bring. A reminder of where we live at kung gaano kahalaga ang kahandaan. Life beneath the trench. Despite its depth and danger, the East Luzon Trench is also a cradle of deep-sea life. Expeditions using submersibles have found bioluminescent fish, tube worms, and bacteria that survive without sunlight, thriving instead on chemicals released from hydrothermal vents. Ito ang tinatawag na chemosynthesis, kung saan hindi ilaw ng araw ang pinagmumulan ng buhay, kundi mga mineral mula sa bitak ng lupa. It's a completely different world, a reminder that life finds a way, even in the coldest and darkest corners of the earth. Science and the future. The study of the East Luzon Trench is still ongoing. Scientists from PHIVOLCS, DOST, and international partners are creating 3D maps of the seafloor to better understand fault lines and potential hazards. Each new discovery brings us closer to predicting how the next major quake might behave, and how we can protect communities along Luzon's eastern seaboard. But beyond the danger, it also helps us appreciate the beauty and complexity of our planet's design. The trench is not just a threat, it's a teacher. It tells us the story of how the Philippines was formed, and how it continues to evolve with every tremor beneath the waves. Beneath the Pacific edge. As we look out to the vast Pacific Ocean, remember this. Beyond the horizon, deep beneath the waves, lies a powerful boundary that defines who we are as an archipelago. The East Luzon Trench may be silent and unseen, but it's alive, breathing, shifting, and shaping the story of our islands. And as we continue to explore its mysteries, we're not just studying the Earth. We're discovering the heartbeat of the Philippines itself.